response. There were many challenges. Till last night, we were not given the field. Our earlier program had to be cancelled for unforeseen circumstances because of lack of permission. So even today, the trains were cancelled in the early part. So many people who wanted to come were not allowed to come. Yet, if you see this entire ground and on the road, it's packed. So I'm very happy with the response. And I think this is a beginning. We have all been speaking the same thing, but in different platforms, different political parties. I think the time has come for the native and the indigenous people of the Northeast, the region of Northeast, to speak on one voice for our future, for our next generation, and also for our survival and existence. हम किसी के खिलाफ नहीं हैं, हम अपने लोगों के पक्ष में, हम किसी के खिलाफ राजनीति नहीं करते, हम अपने लोगों के इंटरेस्ट में काम करते हैं। किसी के खिलाफ काम करेंगे तो बांग्लादेश के खिलाफ काम करेंगे, पाकिस्तान के खिलाफ काम करेंगे। हम किसी पॉलिटिकल पार्टी के खिलाफ नहीं है, अपने लोगों के पक्ष में।